पूछ रही हो? कुछ नहीं मैम।
And done. 2 + 2 = 5. Nailed it.
Pinky, are you sure about that?
Absolutely. 100%
ये
sure.
कैसे सही हो सकता है? सुन देख तो कैसी अकड़ के खड़ी है।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल प्रोफेसर वाली फीलिंग्स दे रही है।
कुछ तो गलत है।
And that's why 2 + 2.
Look at her face. She really thought it was 5.
All right, settle down, everyone.
Whoops. There we go. 4. Huh?
Nice correction.
Yes! Nailed it!
बहुत बढ़िया पिंकी, सही सीख लिया तुमने।
सच में? धन्यवाद सर।
वाओ, शाबाश।
अरे भाई इतना सोच मत। देख मैं बताती हूँ। 2 + 2 = 4 बस। ऐसे?
2 + 2 = 4.
That's right, Pinky. Well done.
And that makes 4.
That's right, Pinky. Well done.
Thanks. I got it after messing up once.
Mistakes help us learn.
They sure do. Bye bye, little friend. Thanks for everything. See you again someday.